The Sim Racing Shifter for G29 and G920 driving force racing wheels, adds realistic shifting to your racing rig. Built to last, durable solid steel gear shifter and hand-stitched leather boot and knob cover. 6-speed shifter and push-down reverse, H-pattern gearbox for fast, smooth shifting. Secure mounting, built-in clamps mount shifter securely to a table or racing rig. Compatible with PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, or Windows 7, games that support Logitech force feedback racing wheel.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.